Oh, where's everybody? Are you guys not going to present with me? Hello, Athirah?
Yes, I'm here.
Oh, there you are. Call other people.
Fatiha?
Oh, sorry. Yes,
Ah,
I'm here.
only
One more.
us? Oh, okay.
Hajar. Calling for Hajar.
Yeah, I'm here. Yeah. Sorry guys.
Hi.
No.
Ah,
So we're complete now.
yes, we are complete. Can we continue with our present?
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's start now.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day to our friends and our lecturer, Dr. Azrul Amri bin Jamal. Today we are going to do a video presentation with topic Characterizing Network Infrastructure and Traffic. We are students from Bachelor of Computer Science, Computer Network Security, UNIZA, Semester 5. Our group members consist of Siti, Hajar, Salma, Binti, Muhammad, Salim.
Hi.
Okay, next is Nurul, Fatiha, Binti, Muda.
Hi.
Then Nur Athirah, Binti Abd Rahman.
Hi.
And lastly, myself, Nurul, Alia, Eryana, Binti, Muhammad, Zamri. We will go first to the speed test that all of us have done on our own laptop at our houses. Let me explain what is speed test. So speed test measures the speed between your device and a test server using your device internet connection. Let me show you real quick of the speed test that we have done. This is for Hajar speed test. This is Fatiha. This is Athirah. And this is mine. Next, we will show you our protocol hierarchy statistics that we have done at Wireshark. I am going to explain about Hajar's statistics. So after 1 hour on YouTube, Clip, WhatsApp and Google Meet, she had captured a total of 464,785 packets. So this is the first interface when she opened the Wireshark after finish capturing. And this is the protocol hierarchy statistics. Next.
Okay, this is Nur Fatiha binti Muda protocol hierarchy statistic. She opened YouTube and click for 1 hour and capture 168,329 packets. So this is the interface of Wireshark and protocol hierarchy and hierarchy statistic. Okay, next.
This is Nur Athirah Binti Abd Rahman's protocol hierarchy statistic. It shows the total packet, which is 729,894 packets. And this is a interface capture of her Wireshark. Nur Athirah only use YouTube, Click, SciHub, ResearchGate and Journal. So this is the result after stop capturing.
Next, I will talk about Alia Eryana's protocol hierarchy statistic. So she captured 79617 packets. She opened Alia, you may scroll down. She had opened YouTube, Clip and WhatsApp for 1 hour to capture all that packets. So this is her high statistic of hierarchy statistic of her packets, and it will display all the protocols that has been used. So next is Alia.
Yeah.
Table 1 shows the characteristic of each member internet connection. First is type. For the type, All members use the barrier for internet connection. Next is internet capacity. Internet capacity for Hajar 44.24 and me Fatiha 19.35, Athirah 8.14 and Alia 3.02.
For ping, Hajar got 34, Fatiha 38, me 17, Alia 20. For download speed, Hajar got 44.24, Fatiha 19.35, me 8.14 and Alia 3.02.
Okay, for the upload speed is how fast we can send data from us to others. So Hajar got 23.27, Fatiha got 10.36, Athirah 0.42 and me got 2.85. Then we have the first table where we use a stack column graph. Okay, this way we can see that Hajar got the highest internet capacity, followed by Fatiha, Athirah and me. And then Fatiha got the highest ping that may result a delay during the network. And then we can see over here lah. Okay, a good internet speed is at or above 25 megapixels. We mostly use internet for online activity. So, can we move on, guys?
Yes.
So, who's next?
Next is me. So for table 2 is about protocols. So protocols, I will talk about some of the protocols that has been used by us, that captured by the packet. So first, TCP. TCP is a transmission control protocol. So what is transmission control protocol is actually? So transmission control protocol is used to connect network device to the internet. It can also be used as a communication protocol for a private intranet or extranet. So how does TCP works? So TCP provides communication between an application program and the internet protocol. They are frequently written as TCP/IP. So an application does not need required packet fragmentation on the transmission medium or other mechanism for sending data in order to be sent via TCP. While IP handles accurate delivery of the data, TCP keeps track of segments. So due to unpredictable network behavior, IP packets can be lost or delivered out of order. So TCP detects and minimizes this issue by reordering the packet data the TCP will reordering packet data or requesting for the redelivery. So this accuracy comes with a trade-off in speed. TCP is known more for reliability, but this accuracy comes from trading speed, sometimes coming with a delay of several seconds. So for me, for my TCP, 13513 for Fatiha, 10713 for Athirah, 58452 and for Alia 77491. So next protocol is HTTP. So what is HTTP? HTTP is hypertext transfer protocol. So hypertext transfer protocol. So what is hypertext transfer protocol? So hypertext transfer protocol is an application layer protocol for transmitting hypermedia documents such as HTML. So port number for HTTP is 443 for HTTPS, and for HTTP is 18. So how does HTTP works? So as a request response protocol, HTTP gives users a way to interact with web resources such as HTML files by transmitting hypertext message between clients and server. So HTTP clients generally use transmission control protocol connection to communicate with servers. So HTTP utilizes specific request method in order to perform various tasks such as get, head, post, put, delete, trace, auction, connect, and patch. So all HTTP servers use the get and head method, but not all supports the rest of this request method. So for our capture, for me, I have 12 for HTTP, for Fatiha 42, Athirah 1529, and Alia 16. So next we move to Teha.
Okay, DNS. DNS is a domain name system. The port number of DNS is 53. The main function of DNS is to translate domain names into IP address, which computers can understand. It also provides a list of mail servers which accept emails for each domain name. For Hajar, 763. For me, 199. Athirah 1237 and Alia 459. And for DHCP-v4 is a standard protocol known as Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol version 6. The port number is 77 and 68. For 77 is the destination port of a server. For 68 is used by the client. For DHCP-v4 ni is a network server that automatically provides and assigns IP address, default gateway, and other network parameters to client device. For Hajar, she got 4. For me, Fatiha and Athirah got 0 and Alia 5.
Okay, for IPv6. IPv6 is stand for Internet Protocol version 6. IPv6 is a network layer protocol that allow communication and data transfer to take place over the network. Okay, for Hajar, she got 1 for 0, Fatiha 0, me 292, and Alia 132. Okay, for TLS, Transport Layer Security, it's encrypt data sent over the internet to ensure that hackers are unable to see what you transmit, which is particularly useful for private and sensitive information such as password, credit card, and personal information. For Hajar, she got 5157, Fatiha 1839, me 8065, and Alia 18534.
Okay, we move on to the second graph, which is a bar graph. As we can see, I have the highest number of TCP, followed by Athirah, Hajar, and Fatiha. Then for TLS again, I had the highest number, followed by Athirah, Hajar, and Fatiha. And then we also have other protocols: IPv6, DHCP-v4, DNS, and HTTP. The numbers are there, but it can't be seen since TCP had a bigger number in the graph. See over here. And then we move on to the next table.
So next is the numbers of each colors of entry appear in each members.pcat file. So for red, represent TCP RST. So what is TCP RST? TCP RST is a TCP reset. So TCP reset happens when unexpected TCP packet arrives at a host. That host usually responds by sending a reset packet back on the same connection. A reset packet is simply one with no payload and with the RST bit set in the TCP header flags. So for For me, my TCP RST is 148. For Fatiha, 29. Athirah, 626. And for Alia, 135. Next is black. Black represent bad TCP. So what is bad TCP? Bad TCP, it is also important to understand exactly what bad TCP is filtering for. So if you created the button to display the TCP analysis flag, so it will show you the TCP event like retransmission, duplicate acknowledgement, and window updates. So for my bad TCP is 15, Fatiha 212, Athirah 17336, and for Alia 6964. Next is pink. So pink represent ICMP. So what is ICMP, guys? So ICMP is Internet Control Message Protocol. So what is Internet Control Message Protocol? So Internet Control Message Protocol is a transport level protocol with TCP/IP which communicates information about network connectivity issues back to the source of the compromised transmission. So it sends control message such as destination network unreachable, source route failed, and source quench. So it uses data packet structure with an 8 bytes and variable size data section. So in easy words, it will send error message. So for my ICMP is 37, for Fatiha 0, for Athirah 12, and for Alia 19. Next, go to Teha.
No, it's me.
Oh yeah, Alia.
Yeah. Okay. For grey, represent TCP SYN or FIN. So SYN and FIN are bits in the TCP header as defined in Transmission Control Protocol. So SYN is used to indicate the start of TCP session, and FIN is used to indicate the termination of TCP session. So Hajar got 704, Fatiha got 312, Athirah got 2704, and me got 1533. So okay, next is blue color. Blue color blue that capture UDP traffic. So the UDP layer provides datagram based connectionless transport layer at layer 4 functionality in the Internet Protocol family. So all of us had quite a high number for UDP. So Hajar got 450,842, Fatiha got 157,610, Athirah got 669,182, and I got 1,633. And then for green, HTTP traffic shows up as a light green in Wireshark and can be filtered using HTTP. So Hajar got 66, Fatiha got 478, Athirah got 2,439, and me got 93. Next.
The next is yellow. Yellow represent for SMB, Server Message Block. SMB is a network protocol that enables users to communicate with remote computer and servers. Okay, Hajar got 11, Fatiha 14, me 30, and Alia 14. Okay, for Fish represent for routing and ARP. Routing protocol is a process which is performed by network layer device in order to deliver the packet by choosing an optimal path from one network to another. Okay, and for ARP ARP stands for Address Resolution Protocol. ARP is to map IP network addresses to the hardware addresses used by a data link protocol. Okay, for Hajar, she got 398, Fatiha 12, and me 2248, and Alia 474. Okay, lastly is white. White is represent for broadcast. Broadcast is the simultaneous transition of the same message to multiple recipients. In networking, broadcasting occurs when a transmitted data packet is received by all network devices. Okay, for Hajar, she got 423, Fatiha 180, me 3484, and Alia 1345.
Next is we move
This is
to
coloring course.
So that one, Alia, can you? This is the rules of the color that we present just now. This is
yes.
the color that represent every protocol. Yeah. Okay, we proceed.
Now we move to graph. This graph represents the data that we have been collected based on table 3. So this graph shows all the color of protocol. As you can see, the UDP capture of Hajar, Athirah and me are too much. So the colors of other protocol cannot be seen, but it's there. So this table show more details number of packet for every colors. The yellow color have the least amount of protocol.
Okay,
That's all.
we move on.
Yes.
Okay.
Reasons.
Okay. For the reason, why different member of the group got different type of packet when sent and received is because of one is performance of laptop. It depends on capabilities of our laptop, and second graphical location. We stay at different places such as Kota Baru, Kuala Terengganu, Kemaman, and Port Klang. Thus is may affect us during the working of Wireshark, and we all use WLAN. Next.
The third reason is bandwidth. The maximum amount of data transmitted over an internet connection in a given amount of time. So bandwidth is often mistaken for internet speed when it's actually the volume of information that can be sent over a connection in a measured amount of time. So bandwidth is calculated in megabytes per second. Okay, for our understanding, the higher the bandwidth, the faster our internet speed.
For internet speed. Internet speed is how fast the information is received or downloaded. The speed of this data is measured in megabytes per second. It determines not only how quickly you can perform tasks online, but how many of those tasks your network can handle at a single time.
Okay, next, number 5 is packet loss. So, packet loss, maybe we might experience that while transmitting our data. So, packet loss occurs when one or more packets of data traveling across a computer network fail to reach to their destination. So, packet loss is either caused by error in data transmission, typically across wireless network, or network congestion. So that's all from us.
Yes.
We hope that it will work, Alia.
It will meet your requirement
So
for the project.
for our project, for this project. So hopefully we can get full mark for this, inshallah. So That's all from us.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
you.
Bye. Bye.